everyone, my name is Farmer Rhonda and today we will be doing Stories in the Stables. Thanks for joining us. Today we will be reading Where Does My Food Come From by Annabel, Karmel and Alex Willmore. Tomatoes. It's great to be a tomato. They're squishy, nutritious and delicious. It all starts with just a tiny tomato seed. 1. Tomato growers plant rows of seeds in a greenhouse. They water them every day until their tiny green shoots start to grow upwards. 2. The plants start to grow tall and strong. Yellow flowers bloom and get fertilised by the bees buzzing around their petals. The flowers drop to reveal tiny green tomatoes. 3. The little tomatoes gradually grow in size. They turn from green to orange to bright red. Pickers pluck the ripe tomatoes from the plants and pack them into crates. 4. Workers load the crates of tomatoes onto trucks to be weighed, sorted and packed. 5. Finally, those little tomatoes make it to the shops for you in all sorts of types and colours. 6. Tomatoes are so versatile. You can chop them, squish them, or mix them into yummy things like tomato juice and tomato ketchup. Here's some instructions of how you can grow your own tomatoes. We also have some great recipes like zingy tomato pasta and mini pizza people. Strawberries. Strawberries are delicious to eat and lovely to look at too. But did you ever wonder how they get onto your table? 1. Farm workers plant baby strawberry plants in a field. They sit on the back of a big tractor to do it. 2. The workers build a plastic greenhouse called a polytunnel around the strawberries. The polytunnel gives the growing strawberries lots of light and protects them from hungry birds. 3. White flowers bloom and bees and ladybirds buzz around the petals. As the petals fall away, little green strawberries grow in their place. 4. The green strawberries become plump and red. Then workers pick the juicy fruit and pack it into crates. 5. Workers weigh, check and pack the strawberries. They keep the fruit cool so it doesn't turn bad. Then a lorry takes the packed strawberries to the shops. 6. Strawberries are delicious to eat all on their own. Or you can turn strawberries into sweet treats like smoothies, cheesecakes and strawberry jam. Here you can see there's a recipe with strawberries and bananas that create a strawberry snake. You can also make mini strawberry cheeky cheesecakes or simply the mess eaten mess. Honey. You probably know that it's made by bees, but where do these buzzy bodies get what they need to make such a sticky treat? 1. Worker bees fly from flower to flower. They use their long tongues like straws to suck up a sweet juice called nectar. In their tummies, the nectar turns into runny honey. 2. The bees fly back to their hive and spit the runny honey into the spaces of a honeycomb. Other bees beat their wings to help make it thicker. Then they seal the honeycomb with wax. 3. A beekeeper removes the wax and takes a small amount of honey from each hive. The honey is put into large drums and a lorry takes it to the factory. 4. At the factory, the honey is cleaned with special machines. Then it's placed in large vats that keep it at the right temperature. 5. The honey is put into jars. It's all set to be sent to the shops ready to be spread on your toast. Yummy! 6. Honey is packed full of vitamins and other good things. You can use it instead of sugar to sweeten things. Drizzle it over your pancakes, mix it into natural yogurt or stir it into a hot drink. Delicious! Here you can see you've got an activity for a bee drinking pool. There's also some more recipes like You're My Honey Shala and Sticky-licious Honey Chicken Kebabs. Chocolate. It's great being as scrumptious as chocolate, but did you know they start off as a bean? 1. Farmers in countries like Ghana in Africa or Brazil in South America grow cocoa trees. Tiny flowers on the trees turn into plump pods that grow as big as footballs. Workers pick the pods when they are ripe. 2. Cocoa beans are inside the pods. Workers cut open the pods, take out the beans and lay them out in the sun to dry. 3. The beans are sent to factories around the world. There they are cleaned, roasted and ground into a thick brown paste. The paste is mixed with milk and sugar. 4. Next, the paste is squished and squashed by a huge roller. Then the mixture is heated and cooled in huge tanks until it becomes smooth and creamy. 5. The chocolate tea mixture is poured into moulds and made into bars. Then they are cooled, wrapped and packed. The chocolate is ready to be sent to the shops and ready to melt in your mouth. 6. Chocolate can be made into all kinds of sweet treats. It's used in cake, ice cream and desserts, and it makes a delicious drink as hot chocolate. Here you can make some chocolate lollipop gifts. There's also some more recipes for you to try, like I'll Always Love You cupcakes and choc chip little monster cookies. The end. Thanks for listening. My favourite part of the book was getting to see all the fun and tasty recipes we can try. If you want some more recipes to try, come visit the Woolworths Pavilion at the Ekka.